Hello, good day everyone. In this lesson, we are going to differentiate 1 all over x square from first principle. So, the general formula for differentiation said, if you have y is equal to x to the power of n, differentiation of y with respect to x is equal to n x to the power of n minus 1. So, if you want to differentiate this function using general formula, so we have 1 all over x square. So this x square is same thing as x to the power of minus 1. So if you are to differentiate this using this formula, we're going to have dy by dx is equal to minus 2x to the power of minus 2 minus 1, which is minus 2x to the power of minus 3. So if you differentiate this function using direct formula, you are going to have this as your result. So let's use the first principle to differentiate the function. That's 1 all over x to the power of 2. So we are asked to differentiate this. So if you are to differentiate from first principle, you are going to add the increment in y and the increment in x as well. So we have y plus increment of y, which is delta y, is equal to 1 all over x plus increment in x, which is delta x, everything square. So from here, if you expand this bracket, we are going to have something like this. Y plus delta y is equal to 1 all over x plus delta x into x plus delta x. So we have y plus delta y is equal to 1 all over. If we multiply x with this x, we get x square. Then x multiplied by delta x, we have x delta x. Then delta x multiplied by x will have x delta x also. Then delta x multiplied by delta x, we have delta x square. So we have y plus delta y is equal to 1 all over x square, x delta x, another L delta x. So we have 2x delta x, then plus delta x square. So from here, we are going to take this y to the right hand side of the equation. So we have delta y is equal to 1 all over x square plus 2x delta x plus delta x square minus y. So from here, our y is equal to 1 all over x square. So we are going to substitute the value of y from the equation. So we have delta y is equal to 1 all over x square plus 2x delta x plus delta x square, then minus 1 all over x square, because our y is 1 all over x square. So from here, we are going to subtract this from this, or we are going to take the LCM. So to take the LCM, we are going to multiply this denominator with this, and multiply this with this, multiply this with this. As in, you have something like this: a all over b minus c all over d. So I multiply b by d, bd like this. I multiply d by a, that is ad, minus b multiplied by c, which is bc. So this is exactly what I'm going to do here. So I'll multiply x square by 1, which is x square. Then minus, I'll multiply the whole this expression by 1, so which is x square plus 2x delta x plus delta x square. Then everything all over x square multiplied by this, which is x square into x square plus 2x delta x plus delta x square. So from here, if I expand this bracket with this negative sign, the whole terms will get the negative sign. So we have delta y is equal to x square minus x square minus 2x delta x minus delta x square, everything all over x square into x square plus 2x delta x plus delta x square. So we have x square minus f square. So this will go with this. Then, so we have delta y is equal to minus 2x delta x minus delta x square, everything all over x square into x square plus 2x delta x plus delta x square. So from here, I'm going to take the limits. No, I'm going to divide through by delta x. So let me factor out delta x from here. So we have delta y is equal to, if I factor out delta x, we'll get minus 2x from this term, then minus delta x. Because if you multiply delta x by delta x, you'll get delta x square. All over x square into x square plus 2x delta x plus delta x square. So from here, I will multiply by 1 all over delta x, then multiply by 1 all over delta x. So this delta x will take care of this. So from here, we have delta y by delta x is equal to minus 2x minus delta x, everything all over x square into x square plus 2x delta x plus delta x square. So we are now going to take the limits. So our expression is now delta y by delta x is equal to minus 2x minus delta x minus 2x minus delta x, everything all over x square into x square plus 2x delta x plus delta x square. So if you take the limit from this, that's we are to take the limit from both sides. So we have limit as delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x is equal to limit as delta x tends to 0 minus 2x minus delta x all over x square into x square plus 2x delta x plus delta x square. So from here, this limit means wherever you see this delta x, you substitute it by 0. So finally you have dy by dx is equal to minus 2x minus 0 all over x square into x square plus 2x into 0, then plus 0 square. You have something like this. So we have dy by dx is equal to minus 2x all over, we have 0 here, here 2 is 0. So if we multiply this by this, we get x to the power of 4. So this is the same thing as dy by dx is equal to, so this x will cancel one of the x here, so remain x raised to power 3. So same thing as minus 2 all over x raised to power 3, which is equal to minus 2x to the power of minus 3. So this is our final answer. Thank you for listening.